Hi, if you want to enable Lift Wrist to View feature on Amazfit T-Rex 3, then firstly open this Zap app on your phone. Make sure that your watch is connected to the app, of course, and tap on this device tab. Now scroll a bit down to find device settings, and after that go in display and brightness and find Lift Wrist to View info. So here you can set it up. You can go in enabled, and to turn on this feature, select one of those three options, scheduled, all day or smart. To disable it, tap off and confirm by tapping OK. Let's enable it and set for all day, or we can actually set schedule. So let's set schedule. Go in response speed, and you can set it to sensitive. So let's tap to sensitive. Now we can select start time and then the same for end time. Now you can just lift your wrist to turn on the band's display. As you can see, it's working. Let's try this out again. And yep, it's working. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.